Hello everyone, welcome to computer classes. So as you know, we have already completed the syllabus of class 8th. Now most of you might be thinking that what next? So no worries, we will continue with Java till the syllabus of class 12th. And one more good news for you all, that very soon we will be starting a new language, one of the latest language that is in high demand nowadays. And I am sure you will have fun in that. Keep supporting your own channel, and that gives motivation to me. So without wasting more time, let's start today's topic. And today we are going to start nested if. In the last video we have already discussed if statement without else, then we discussed if else and if else if. And today we will start nested if. So nested if means, as the name indicates, when we put one if statement inside the another if statement, this is called nested if. So it can be without else or it can be with else. So first we will see with the help of example without else nested if. So let's begin. So let's take a variable int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20. I have taken two variables a and b of int type and initialized with 10 and 20. Now I am applying the condition if a equals to 10, then it should print, okay, braces start, system dot out dot println. Here message I am printing inside outer if, inside outer if. This is outer if. Then I am using one more if statement inside this if statement. And in that I am giving condition if b equals to 15, then it should print system dot out dot println inside inner if. Fine, any message you can give. And then I am closing the if. This is not the complete program. I am just taking the part of conditional statement to make you understand. Fine. So a 10, b 20. So first it will check if a equals to 10. This is the first condition. A is 10. Yes, 10 equals to 10. So condition is true. So if this condition is true, then only it will enter inside. Fine. Then system dot out println inside outer if. So what will be displayed? It will display inside outer if. Then it will come to the next statement. Then it will check if b equals to 15. What is the value of b? It is 20. So if 20 equals to 15, no, condition is false. So it will not display this statement. It will skip this statement. Fine. So when I execute these statements, then this output will be inside outer if only. Fine. So this will be output inside outer if. So this is the case of nested if without else. Fine. Suppose I change the value of b by 15. Okay, I am taking here 15. Fine. Now in this case, first this is true, then it will display inside outer if, then it will check if b equals to 15. In now it is 15 equals to 15. So condition is true. So it will display inside inner if also. In this case, the output will be inside outer if and inside inner if. Fine. So this is nested if without else. I hope this is clear. Now we will see nested if else. So first we will see the syntax of nested if else. So let's see. So what is the syntax of nested if else? Here I am writing nested if else. Fine. If condition 1, if condition 1, inside this if condition 2, we will check another condition. If condition 2, then statement 1, this statement will be executed. Otherwise, if condition 2 is true, then statement 1 executed. If condition 2 is false, then it will go to the else part. This else is with this if. So otherwise, statement 2 will be executed. Fine. Now this is the opening braces of outer if. Then we will close outer if. Now this is else. This is the else of this outer if. If condition 1 is true, then it will execute this part, inner part. If condition 1 is false, then it will skip all this block and directly come to the else part. In else part, again we can check if condition 3. Fine. Then statement 3 will be executed. Otherwise, this is else of this if. Statement 4. Fine. So if condition 1 true, then this part will be executed. If condition 1 is false, then directly it will come to the else part. And in else part, it will check if condition 3 is true, then statement 3 will be executed. Otherwise, statement 4 will be executed. Fine. So this is the syntax of nested if else. When one if else is present inside the another if else. Fine. This is called the case of nested if else. I hope it is clear. Let's make it more clear by making a simple program. So let's make a program for nested if else. Fine. Okay. So let's make a program to display the greatest number among 3 numbers. So first we will input the 3 numbers by using scanner class. Then we will display the greatest number by using nested if else. So first, to use scanner class, what should we do? We will import the scanner class. Import java.util.scanner class greatest or biggest you can take. Okay, I am taking biggest. Fine. Then public static void main string args. Fine. Then we will create object of scanner class. Scanner obj equals to new scanner and then system in bracket we will pass system dot in and then semicolon. Fine. Then we will display a message system dot out dot print ln. So how many numbers we need? 3 numbers. So enter 3 numbers. We are given the message, enter 3 numbers. Int a. Either you can declare before scanner int abc, or here also you can declare int a equals to obj. Which function we will use? Next int. Next int is the function of scanner class. Int b equals to obj dot next int, second number. Int c equals to obj dot next int is the third number. Fine. Now 3 numbers a, b, c we have taken. Now what we will do? First we will compare a with b and then a with c. See, first we will check if a greater than b. If it is true, then we will check a is greater than c or not. If a is also greater than c, then it means a is greatest. First a को b से check करेंगे. A b से बड़ा है, then we will check a c से भी बड़ा है या नहीं. अगर दोनों से बड़ा है, it means a is greatest. Suppose a b से बड़ा नहीं है, condition is false. It means b is greater than a. Then it means we need to check only that b should be greater than c. In that case only b will be greatest. b a से तो बड़ा हो गया, तो b को हम c से भी चेक करेंगे. अगर c से भी बड़ा, it means b greatest हो गया. अगर c बड़ा है b से, it means c is greatest. So like say, first we will check if a greater than b. Fine. If a greater than b. If this is true, then it will enter inside and check. अगर a b से बड़ा है, तो हम क्या चेक करेंगे? a c से भी बड़ा है या नहीं. So for that we will use the condition if a greater than c. Fine. Then only a will be greatest. So if a is also greater than c, then in that case we will display system dot out dot print ln a is biggest number or greatest number. Fine. Otherwise means a is smaller than c. In that case c is greatest. Else system dot out dot print ln c is biggest. Fine. This is the case when a is greater than b. Suppose a is 20, b is 10 and c is 15. So 20 greater than 10, condition true, then it will enter inside. Now it will check 20 greater than 15 है या नहीं. So 20 greater than 15, condition is true. So in that case a is biggest number. Suppose value of c is 35. So a greater than c, condition will be false. So it will come to the else part. In that case 35 is the biggest. C is biggest number. Now this is the case when a is greater than b. Suppose value of a is not greater than b. Then it will go to the else part. Fine. So in else part, again if condition will be used. Okay, I am writing else part here. From else else. Fine. So if A is not greater than B, then it will check. So what does it mean? A is not greater than B means B is greater than A. Fine. So else में कब आएगा? जब B A से बड़ा होगा. तो B A से बड़ा है तो अभी हमें क्या चेक करना है? B C से भी बड़ा है या नहीं. Then we will check if B greater than C. अगर B C से भी बड़ा है तो क्या प्रिंट करेगा? System dot out dot, okay, space is less, so fine, system dot out dot println B is biggest. Fine. Else, this is the else of this if, inner if. If B is not greater than C, then it will go to the else and display C is greatest. C is greatest. Fine. Then this is the opening braces of else part and this is the closing bracket of else part. Then main function close, then class close. If you have still problem, then you can take the values of ABC and just check it once. Fine. So this was the program of to display the biggest number by using nested if else. I hope this is clear. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.